السلام عليكم جمهور متابعي قناة عالم التكنولوجيا على اليوتيوب وصفحة عالم التكنولوجيا على الفيسبوك، ومعادنا النهاردة مع اختبار البراكتس اكزام من شابتر 14 من IT Essential من سيسكو. دايما اقول لكم ما تنسوش تدعمونا بلايك وشير وسبسكرايب للقناة ولايك عشان نوصلكم كل مواقع وفعلوا زر الجرس. طيب ايه الامتحان ده؟ الامتحان ده 45 دقيقة في 45 سؤال. يبقى كده فاضل لنا الامتحان الفاينل، ويبقى كده خلصنا كورس الاي تي اسينشال من سيسكو. دايما اقول لكم ما تنسوش تدعمونا بلايك وشير وسبسكرايب للقناة، واي مادة علمية انتم محتاجينها تقدروا تتواصلوا معانا عن طريق فريق الدعم الفني بتاعنا على السايت اللي اتعمل ليكم مخصوص www.worldoftekhome.com. اللينك بتاعه موجود في اي ديسكريبشن بوكس اسفل كل فيديو. السؤال الاولاني بيقول an IT technician is troubleshooting a file error on an employee laptop while working in the system file directory. The technician notes that the user account control UAC box appears requesting password. What should the IT technician do next? هيبقى call the employee and ask the employee come to the IT department to enter the necessary credentials. السؤال اللي بعده بيقول a technician has copied several commercial movies to a company server to be shared with a college. How would the behavior be classified ethically wrong and illegal? السؤال اللي بعده رقم 3 which two data storage location contain present data that can be used by computer forensics specialists? choose two solid state drive و hard disk drive. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 4 what is the best definition of personally indefensible information data that is collected by business to distinguish identities of individual. معلش هو شوية. السؤال اللي بعده what rules or tasks are associated with level 2 technician? choose 2 remotely updating driver and software on customer computer gathering diagnostic information from a customer computer. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 6 بيقول which two statements are correct about level 1 and level 2 technician? choose 2 level 2 technician usually responds to the down call as they may be able to resolve them faster. Level 2 technician are usually more knowledgeable about technology than the level 1 technician. السؤال اللي بعده when performing computer forensics, what is required to prove a chain of custody? Proper documentation producer. السؤال اللي بعده. A call center technician has asked a customer to perform a simple operation to fix a problem on a computer. The customer seems unable to perform the task. What should the technician do? Determine whether the customer would prefer to receive the instruction in another form such as emails, illustrator, written instruction. السؤال اللي بعده. A technician wants to create customized system image file that will be installed on computer in the network. Which administrative command line tool or command can be? DISM. اللي بعده. السؤال العاشر. A client installed a new driver for advice 3 weeks ago. However, the driver is causing the system to freeze occasionally, and the client wishes to revert back to the old driver. What option can be used to address the issue without loss of data or application? Reset the PC. السؤال رقم 11. A help desk technician noticed an increase of call relating to the performance of computer located at the manufacturing plant. The technician believes that potentials are causing the issue. What are two purposes of potentials? Choose to no attack other computer to transmit virus or spam to computer on the same network. السؤال اللي بعده. What is the next troubleshooting step after a theory of probable cause has been established? Test the theory to determine cause. Test the theory to determine cause. السؤال اللي بعده. رقم 13. A technician has been notified of a problem on the network. After investigation, the technician determined that a specific internal company computer is launching an attack on other company computer. Which type of malware is being used? Trojan. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 14. When a security audit is performed at a company, the auditor reports that new users have access to network resources beyond their normal job rules. Additionally, users who move to different positions return their prior permission. What kind of violation is occurring? هتبقى least privilege. رقم 15. What is a recommended best practice for a technician who must perform tasks that require administrative access? Use a standard account with limited permission and then use the run as an administrator option to perform the task that require elevated privilege. السؤال اللي بعده. A technician is configuring a Cisco computer. The technician wants to create a local account that requires a password and wants a screensaver to appear if the person using the computer steps away for a period of time. Which two window control panel will the technician use to accomplish these tasks? Personalization و user account. السؤال اللي بعده رقم 17. بيقول after configuration the removal of a virus from a computer, how should the technician ensure and verify the full function of the system? Check for the latest OS patches and update. السؤال اللي بعده، واضح كده ان احنا هنضطر برضو نقسمها على فيديوهين. A company has a security policy that permits the reuse of web driver in other computers. The web driver are often used for additional storage or as a replacement drive. What are two methods that could be used to wipe data? Data wiping software ودي discount equivalent. السؤال رقم 19. An instructor is discussing facts about different mobile device operating software. The instructor states remote backups are a cloud-enabled service for mobile devices. To which OS does the relate, iOS و Android or both؟ هيبقى both. السؤال رقم 20. True or false, Windows 10 64-bit version can be installed on as little as 1 giga of hard drive space. False. ناخد أعلى من كده طبعا. سؤال رقم 21. A user has submitted a trouble ticket stating that their computer is showing the error boot MGR is missing. The IT technician reflects the error and finds that it occurs after the boot of the Windows 10 machine. What are two possible solutions for this problem? Restore boot MGR using the Windows recovery environment. We run check disk FR from the recovery console. وده يبقى آخر سؤال معانا في الفيديو، ما يخش عن كده. ونشوفكم على خير في فيديو جديد في بقية شابتر 10 for 14 practice final. وما تنسوش تدعمونا بلايك وشير وسبسكرايب للقناة ولايك للفيديو ده. وأي مادة علمية أو أي دورة انتوا حابين نعملها سوا تقدروا تتواصلوا معانا على www.worldoftekhome